All right, in this video, we're going to see if Grok's new image tool, Grok Imagine, is better for meta ad creative than GPT Image 2.0, which is what we've been using up to this point. Now, if you've checked out my meta ads videos or gone through my meta ads made easy course, which I'll link below, you know that right now Meta wants a ton of creative variation, and these AI tools are the superpower that allow us to train the algorithm faster than ever. So what we're going to do first is test a very generic prompt. This is what a new AI user would typically come in and do. They probably wouldn't even attach their logo, but they would say, I want you to generate a meta image ad creatives, or then put in the website, and then I've attached the logo. So we're going to run this in both Grok and GPT with this very generic prompt and see who gets the better output. And then we will do a actual proper prompt and see who also gets the better output there as well. All right, so Grok already spit this out. This is decent, but like shop now, I wouldn't typically use that call to action. The logo only has like the center pickleball, but this is a pretty solid image. What I do like about Grok's image generator is you can actually just click on specific things, right? So like I could click her shirt or her skirt, right? And I could say like black shorts instead of white tank top or white skirt, and it will just change to black shorts, which is really cool. So definitely better than GPT when it comes to the actual editing of the image. Like that's really, really cool. GPT is still going, so also a lot faster. All right, here's GPT's image. Way better. Like it's not even close in regards to actually being on brand. Now it's worse in the fact that it looks like a straight up AI GPT image with all of these icons and whatnot. But the fact that it actually pulled an image from our website of Zane, who is our coach, is awesome. It used like the full logo, and it looks like it actually is given multiple different versions here. So GPT, in my opinion, still like these look really good. In my opinion, still better with this simple prompt, but points to Grok for the fact that we can just click on anything here and edit in real time versus GPT. I'm gonna have to go and say, remove these icons, change this, right? We're gonna have to go revision by revision, and typically after like 3 or 4 revisions, Zane is not even going to look anything remotely like himself. The logo is going to look completely different and things are going to drift. Okay, now we will do the same thing, but we will do this using this prompt. This is part of my meta graphic design and branding course. I'll link that down below as well. And we're going to fill this in for TZP, and then we'll run this. And we will see which model does better with a more extensive, detailed prompt. So I have to say, Grok is like ridiculously fast. It pretty much spit this out instantly, and I think this is decent. This guy looks a little bit cartoony, like the skin just does not look real. The logo, again, is still missing, the outline aspect. Really, the only thing that's really impressing me about Grok is the fact that we can go ahead and just change this stuff, which I could see being really beneficial for like more hardcore detailed design tasks. But let's see how GPT does with this same detailed prompt. All right, here's what GPT put out for us. Way better, right? Based on the concept that we actually described, this is far better. I mean, yeah, these are really, really good. I'm honestly pretty impressed. I'm sort of at a loss for words because these are some of the better ones I've seen from GPT, but this is why these correct prompt structures here are so crucial, because instead of the just general prompt that we initially got, where it was just like, hey, here's our course, right? Check out this thing. These are all based on specific pain points. So like here, we can see that where was that one with the different messages? Yeah, so stop watching pickleball tips, right? Because this is the whole angle is everybody's telling you that something different is wrong or to do something different, right? So you need to dink more. It's the kitchen. You need to stay back. It's everything, right? It's the confusion, the overwhelm. So these are all leaning into that specific pain point. And what's really cool with this prompt structure here is you can change it based on any of these different triggers. So again, I'll link this tool. It's part of my AI graphic design and branding course. It's only 17 bucks. I think it's an absolute steal, but I'm probably biased, but I'll link it down below, because this really is the major difference between getting just super generic ads that, don't get me wrong, can still work, versus stuff like this. That's much more messaged and intentional. But overall, I got to give the W here to GPT Image 2.0. Remains the king of image gen. I do really like that whole thing that Grok lets you do with the editing. Can totally see the use case for that and why it would be useful. But for meta ads, I'm sticking with GPT. If you want to learn how to do it the right way, links in the description. If you have any questions, comment down below. Also, let me know who you think did a better job. As always, thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it, and I will see you next time. Peace.